Hello guys, today I'm showing to you how to remove unexpected clients on having. First, that will happens if you get that. Today I'm showing you how to remove the you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. First, you press Windows R. Now that will happen. You search .app data. Now you will see that. You will click app data. That this on here. Now you will go to local. Now you will scroll down and you will find Roblox. You need to delete that too. That free. That on. That other. Now and that. Now you join Roblox. Now wait a second. 1, 2, 3. Now that will happen. See how to Did you see how to remove the unexpected of your client? Now you can real times. Bye.